Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You're going to open Google Slides and start a new presentation now. First, install and sign in. Once done, tap plus and choose blank presentation or import a file from Drive or Files. Make sure Files access is allowed so slides can save locally and to Drive. If you have an Apple Pencil or external keyboard, enable them for faster editing. This gets you directly into the editor so you can add slides, pick a theme, and begin placing your content right away. Now you'll construct the content and style each slide. Tap Layout to pick a structure, then add text boxes and images. Drag handles with touch or pencil to size and position elements precisely. Use Insert to add charts, videos, or shapes, and Format to change fonts, colors, and spacing so slides read clearly. Once you've arranged items, use Arrange and Align tools to distribute and layer consistently across slides, which keeps the design professional and readable when you present or export. Finish your deck by reviewing slide order, speaker notes, and transitions, then tap Share to set link permissions or invite collaborators. When presenting, use Play to present from the iPad or cast via AirPlay or HDMI. For remote meetings, open in Meet or share your screen. If something goes wrong, force close slides and reopen, check that Drive Sync is enabled, and verify your internet. If slides still won't load, sign out and back in, or reinstall the app to clear persistent errors.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.